Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I am also okay. Because of Corona, there is no regular school and regular class. So, I am going to take an online class. Are you ready for the class? Be ready. Welcome to Majira Model High School online class. At first, I want to introduce me. I am Jahangir Alam, Senior Teacher, Majira Model High School, Shahjahanpur, Bogura. I am going to take a class from English second paper for class 9 and 10. Dear learners, let's enjoy a video.
রান্না বান্নায় থালা বাসন ধুবেন শুদ্ধ জলে খাবার খোলা রাখলে তাতে ময়লা ধুলা পড়ে সেই খাবারে জীবাণুরা আস্তানা ভাই গড়ে খাবার আগে সাবান দিয়ে হাত ধুবেন ভাই বিশুদ্ধ খাবার পানির বিকল্প আর না
The boy who is washing hands is my brother. The boy washing hands is my brother. The meaning of the two sentences is the same, but the form of the two sentences are different. What kind of sense have you followed by this sentence? Complex to simple. So first sentence is complex and second sentence is simple. So our today's lesson is transformation of sentences complex to simple. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to identify complex sentence, identify simple sentence, sense from complex to simple sentence. Dear learners, now be ready to write down on your khata. First rules. Complex with when as since because into simple gerund oblique being oblique having plus extension plus comma plus principal clause. Example complex when he saw the lion he ran away. Simple seeing the lion he ran away. Here we use gerund because this is a principal verb. So here principal verbs, then lion object, then comma and at last principal clause. Note gerund verb plus ing principal verb. When we get principal verb we should use gerund. Being am is are was were shall be will be, that means be verb. When we get be verb we should use being. Have has had having. When we get have verb we should use having. Are you clear? Rule 2. Complex with when with time related word into simple, in oblique at time related word plus comma plus principal clause. Example complex sentence. When it is spring, the cuckoo sings. Simple. In spring, the cuckoo sings. Instead of when, we use here in. Then time related word is spring, then comma, and at last principal clause. Are you clear? Rule 3. Complex and with when with indefinite or continuous form into simple. At the time of plus possessive plus gerund oblique being oblique having plus extension plus comma and at last principal clause. Example, when they were playing, it began to rain. Simple. At the time of their playing, it began to rain. We use at the time of instead of when, and we use possessive their instead of the, and then playing gerund, then comma, and at last principal clause. Rule 4. Complex with as oblique since oblique because into simple. Because of oblique on account of plus possessive plus gerund oblique being oblique having plus extension plus comma and at last principal clause. Example, complex. As he was ill, he could not go to office. Simple. Because of his being ill, he could not go to office. We use because of instead of as. Then we use his possessive instead of he. Then we use being instead of was. It is a be verb. Then extension, then comma, and at last principal clause. So are you clear? Let's transfer the following sentence into simple. When the thief saw the police, he ran away. Here we see saw is a principal verb. So we should use here gerund. So see the answer. Seeing the police, the thief ran away. Number 2, since he was small, he could not work hard. Instead of since, we should use because of or on account of, then possessive. See the answer. Because of his being small, he could not work hard. Instead of since, we use because of his, possessive instead of he, then being instead of was, be verb, small, extension plus comma, and at last principal clause. So it is very easy to transfer complex to simple. Rule 5. Complex with though oblique although into simple. In spite of oblique despite plus possessive plus gerund oblique being oblique having plus extension plus comma plus principal clause. Example, though they work hard, they could not succeed in life. Simple. In spite of their working hard, they could not succeed in life. We use in spite of instead of though. We use their possessive instead of they. We use gerund working because there is a principal verb. Worked is principal verb. Then hard extension plus comma and at last principal clause. Are you clear? Rule 6. complex with if affirmative into simple. By plus gerund plus extension plus comma plus principal clause. Complex sentence. If you work hard, you can shine in life. Simple. By working hard, you can shine in life. Rule 7. Complex with if negative into simple without plus gerund plus extension plus comma plus principal clause. If you do not read attentively, you will not pass. Simple. Without reading attentively, you will not pass. If you do not read attentively, it is a negative sentence, so we use here without plus gerund. Dear learners, again transfer the following sentence into simple. Number 1. Though the cuckoos are coward, they are very cunning. We should use in spite of oblique despite instead of though. In spite of their being coward, the cuckoos are very cunning. If you take exercise regularly, you can be healthy. Here, you take exercise regularly is an affirmative sentence, so we should use by plus gerund. See the answer. By taking exercise, you can be healthy. This is a printing mistake. Taking. Number 3. If you do not walk fast, you will miss the train. You do not walk fast. It is a negative sentence, so we should use without plus gerund. See the answer. Without walking fast, you will miss the train. Rule number 8. Complex with so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that negative into simple. Subject plus verb plus to plus adjective oblique adverb plus to plus verb. Example. The man is so weak that he cannot walk. Simple. The man is too weak to walk. Instead of so, we use to. That he cannot is omitted here and we use to, and at last verb, walk. Rule 9. Complex with so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that affirmative into simple. Subject plus verb adjective oblique adverb plus enough for plus object plus to plus verb. Example. The load is so light that he can carry it. Simple. The load is light enough for him to carry. So are you clear? Rule 10. Complex with so that into simple. Subject plus verb plus extension plus to oblique in order to plus verb plus extension. I went to showroom so that I could buy a shirt. Simple. I went to showroom to buy a shirt. Here, so that I could is omitted. We use here to or in order to, then verb. 11. Complex with who oblique who is oblique that into simple. Verb plus subject plus verb plus a oblique an instead of d plus adjective oblique adverb plus noun. Example. He is the man who is honest. Simple. He is an honest man. Here subject is he, verb is. We use here an instead of the. Then adjective here honest, and at last noun. Rule 12. Complex with while into simple. Subject plus verb plus both plus object 1 plus and plus object 2. Example, while he is a good student, he is a good player. He is both a good student and a good player. Rule 13 and last rule. Complex with as soon as into simple. Immediately after, oblique just after, plus gerund, plus oblique being, oblique having, plus extension, plus comma, plus principal clause. Example, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Simple, just after seeing the police, the thief ran away. Instead of as soon as, we use here just after. Then saw is principal verb, so we use here seeing, gerund. Then the police extension or object plus comma and at last principal clause. So dear learner, at last transfer the following sentence into simple. Number 1, he reads more so that he can make a good result. So that he can is omitted here. See the answer. He reads more in order to make a good result. Instead of in order to, we can use only to. So other answer maybe he reads more to make a good result. So that he cannot, he is so weak that he cannot speak a single word. See the answer. He is too weak to speak a single word. Number 3, as soon as he went there, he received the news. Instead of as soon as, we should use just after or immediately after. See the answer. Just after going there, he received the news. The woman who is reported is a spy. See the answer. The reported woman is a spy. Are you clear? Okay. Evaluation. It is simple evaluation. Having dash him, I went out. Forget, it is not correct. Forgot, it is not correct. Forgotten, not correct. Forgotten. Yes. After having, we should use past participle. So, forgotten here past participle. Number 2, I know dash his name was. Here who, not correct, right, try again. Who is, not correct. What is correct answer. Number 3, the girl is dash weak to do the work. In order to, not correct. Very, try again. To, it is correct answer. So at last, homework, transfer the following sentence into simple. Write these sentences on your khata. Number 1, though he read attentively, he failed in the exam. Number 2, though He has been working hard, he cannot postpone. Number 3, since the water is salty, he could not drink it. Number 4, since the boy worked hard, he shone in life. Number 5, when the girl stood by the window, he looked out. Number 6, when the lunch was over, the lady went away. Number 7, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. And 8, I saw that he was reading. Dear learners, when the school is will be open, you should show your khata to your subject teacher. Thank you very much for participating. Thank you. See you again in online class. So, stay at home. Be safe. Assalamu alaikum.